Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lusyara Deva Alana. My NPM is 19220346. And now I will do presentation about analyzing student difficulties in reading comprehension on announcement text. Well, in this study, and to investigate student reading comprehension difficulties of 10th grade student at Man Kota Cimahi. This study used descriptive quantitative method. This research chosen 23 10th grade students of Man Kota Cimahi as the sample. The data collected through use by reading comprehension tests in material announcement text. The result of student reading tests of Man Kota Cimahi have difficulty in 2 of the 9 sections. Making inferences was the most difficult section, and the lower difficulty faced by student was understanding the meaning of word vocabulary. We move to the next slide. Well, this research used in this study was descriptive quantitative research using statistic and analyzing data. The population in this research was 10th grade student at Man Kota Cimahi. 23 students were chosen as a sample. Well, reading comprehension test in form of multiple choice. Then the result was calculated by using the scale suggested by Arikunto 1989 as follows. S equals R division and multiplication 100%. S is incorrect percentage of each aspect. R is incorrect answer for each aspect. And then N is total sample. Well, we jump to the next slide. Findings and discussion. There are 9 items to the reading comprehension test, among them understanding the meaning of word, finding specific information, identifying references, applying the rule or pattern or grammar, and then identifying the social function, determining main idea, evaluating unstated question, making inferences, and then true-false question. Well, based on this table 1, the percentage of incorrect answer student reading difficulties in 9 sections of reading comprehension varied from 13% to 95%. From the data obtained, it proves that there are some difficult questions because the error presentation is more than 80%. Well, based on table 2, in question number 8, above the form of understanding the meaning of words or vocabulary, the percentage of student difficulty is only 13%, including the category of the quite easy question. Well, from based on table 3, the percentage of incorrect answer in number 6 below 15%, and in number 7 is above 15%. In the form of finding specific information, the percentage of difficulty of student is only 14.5%, including the category of the middle level question. So, from based on table 4, in question number 3, it's about the form identifying references. The percentage of student difficulty is only 13%, including the category of quite easy question. Based on table 5, in question number 5, the form applying the rule of or pattern or grammar, the percentage of question difficulty is 43%, including the category of the middle level question. So based on table 6, in question number 1, above the form identifying the social function, the percentage of student difficulty is 70%, including the category of the quite easy question. For based on table 7, in question number 4, above the form determining the main idea, the percentage of student difficulty is 86%, including the category of the very difficult question. And then based on table 8, in question number 10, above the form evaluating unstated question, The percentage of student difficulty is 65%, including the category of the middle level question. Well, based on table 9, question number 2 above the form making inferences. The percentage of student difficulty is 95%, including the category of the very difficult level question. And then, based on table 10, in question number 9 about the form true-false question, the percentage of student difficulty is 60%, including the category of the middle level question. Well, this is a graph of the percentage student reading difficulties is in 9 sections. Based on the presentation of student reading difficulties and the pie chart above, it can be seen that the result of students who have difficulty working on question. Number 1, this is making inferences are proven because the number of errors reach 95%, and then students tend to be easy on question. And then number 2 is identify references and understand the meaning of the word or vocabulary, because the error is only 13%, while in other part there are significant differences. And then the result that can be concluded from question number 1 is finding specific information. The error percentage is 14.5%. And then in part applying the rules or pattern or grammar, the error percentage is 43%. And then in identifying social function, the error percentage is 70%. And then in section determine the main idea error percentage of 86%. And section evaluating question that are not stated, and then the error percentage is 65%. And then finally, in section the true false question, the error percentage is 16%. And then, well, I think it's all enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.